Hi, my name's John McMillan from General Lawns and Landscapes. We look after some of the most magnificent gardens on the northern beaches and north shore of Sydney. How do you choose the best plants for your garden is dependent on quite a few variables. One, do you have any idea of what you'd like to plant? Have you been to a nursery? Understanding that a pretty little plant in a nursery could turn out to be a 2 metre wide, 90-foot tree. So it's also being mindful of sunshine, rainfall, soil type, the weather overall. For you to select a theme, first one being, what is your lifestyle? Are you wanting to spend time outside? Some of the ideas to think about are space, whereabouts you're actually located in respect to what planting types can be planted, and at the same time is the aesthetics. How is it going to look? If you're thinking about building a deck or a patio, there are quite a few variables to think about, those being why is a functionality issue. Treated pine is usually what is being used. Then we get into the higher end where we're starting to construct with hardwood. Those timbers are a little bit more expensive than the treated pine, and again the labour component will be more expensive. Things to consider if you're thinking about putting a water feature in your garden is pricing, construction. There are aesthetics to think about. There's also the sound value. At night, when it's quiet, to be able to listen to a water feature is absolutely gorgeous. Things I really need from you is, do you have plans? Are you wanting plans done? Do you have any idea on costings? Do you have any idea on time frame? Do you have any idea of how you want things to look? Have you done any research? If you're to engage a professional to look after your gardens, I think the questions you need to really ask yourself is, how much is your time worth? If you've got time on the weekend, awesome. If you don't, it is worthwhile engaging the services of a professional. So if you're looking for a gardening expert or landscapers, check out highpages.com.au or download the app.